Night draped the city in navy, and inside her apartment, Amara moved with quiet purpose. She stood before her closet, a soft smile on her lips, choosing a deep green sweater, her favorite comfort. This Wednesday ritual was her sanctuary, a pause from the noise of daily life. Amara tied her hair back, glancing at her reflection, her eyes bright with anticipation. The city lights outside promised new stories, and tonight, she was ready to write her own. Her apartment glowed with warmth, a single lamp, a stack of books, the scent of chamomile. She slipped on her worn boots, savoring the peaceful silence. With a final look around, she grabbed her tote bag, heart steady and content. This wasn't just a class, it was self-care, a gentle act of nurturing her spirit. The excitement she felt was a quiet flame, steady and sure. She was ready to step from solitude into a world of color, aroma, and the language of food. Tonight, Amara would leave the navy shadows behind and step into something vibrant. Outside, the city buzzed, but inside, Amara's world was slow and intentional. The navy shadows in her apartment were filled with memory and comfort, not emptiness. She moved through them with ease, savoring the peace of her haven. In these quiet moments, she dreamed of flavors and textures yet to be discovered. Her kitchen, though small, was a place of quiet experiments. Tonight, her creativity would be shared, carrying the strength of her solitude with her. She traced her teacup, grounding herself before stepping into a new world. With a soft flick of her coat, she left her sanctuary, the navy shadows promising to welcome her home. Amara stepped into the hallway, her quiet confidence glowing, ready for the flavors ahead. The city's cool air was a brief transition. Soon, Amara entered the warmth of the cooking school. Burgundy walls and golden light welcomed her, a vibrant contrast to her quiet apartment. The kitchen buzzed with conversation and the clink of utensils. Aromas of herbs, vegetables, and something sweet filled the air. Amara found her station, a crisp white apron waiting for her. Tying it on, she felt like an artist preparing her canvas. The room pulsed with creative energy, grounded by navy accents. Her instructor's kind voice set a calm, encouraging tone. Amara listened, curiosity piqued, feeling empowered to experiment. Gentle interactions and shared smiles created a supportive atmosphere. In this burgundy dream, Amara's quiet confidence began to blossom. The lesson began, and the kitchen transformed into a workshop of creation. Amara's world narrowed to her station tomatoes, eggplants, fresh basil. Her knife moved with gentle precision, the tap-tap-tap joining the kitchen's symphony. She wasn't just following a recipe, she was creating alchemy. Each ingredient added a layer to her story. Garlic released its aroma, olive oil shimmered in the pan. Around her, others whisked, plated, and shared quiet collaboration. Amara smiled, feeling part of something larger. Trusting her intuition, she added a pinch of chili, letting her creativity guide her. In this inviting space, Amara discovered a new dimension of her voice, one flavor at a time. The burgundy kitchen filled with a tapestry of aromas, onions, lemon zest, simmering sauce. Amara closed her eyes, letting the symphony of senses wash over her. Her sauce bubbled, deep crimson, as she stirred with calm focus. Tasting it, the flavors exploded, sweet, savory, a hint of spice. The instructor's gentle praise nurtured Amara's growing confidence. As the class wound down, excitement shifted to anticipation of sharing. Plates clinked, sauces poured, and Amara admired her finished dish, vibrant and full of her journey. It was more than food, it was a piece of her evening, a testament to her growth. Her smile widened, confidence blooming. She hadn't just followed a recipe, she'd infused it with herself. The kitchen's energy was now part of her own. Amara was ready to share her creation with the world. Presentation time transformed the kitchen into a communal banquet. Students placed their dishes on the long table, creating a colorful, aromatic feast. Each plate told a story, reflecting its creator's personality. Amara felt a flutter as she added her dish to the spread. She was no longer just an observer, but a contributor. People served themselves, murmuring appreciation. "Who made this?" someone asked, gesturing to Amara's dish. She raised her hand, shy but proud, as compliments warmed her heart. Tasting others' creations, she experienced boldness, comfort, and precision. Food became a language, connecting strangers. In this shared meal, individuals became a community. Amara savored each bite, feeling a deep sense of belonging. The act of sharing had transformed the evening into something unforgettable. Amara watched as people tasted her food, their smiles and nods a silent affirmation. The flavors she'd balanced were received and appreciated, a connection forged through taste. Her quiet confidence now glowed, steady and radiant. Eating her own dish among others, it tasted richer, infused with community. The room's energy became the final ingredient. Conversation flowed easily, stories and laughter shared over good food. Amara joined in, her voice clear, her story heard. She was no longer just the quiet woman in the corner. She was Amara, with a story and a dish to her name. As the evening ended, contentment settled over the room. She left with more than a recipe. She left with affirmation and connection. Her dish was gone, but the warmth remained, nourishing her spirit. Stepping into the cool night, Amara felt transformed. The city lights seemed brighter, the air more alive. Her walk home was a reflection on how far she'd come in just a few hours. The warmth she felt was from within, a glow of accomplishment and connection. Solitude was no longer a retreat, but a foundation for engaging with the world. Her gentle nature was a strength, her creativity a voice worth sharing. Cooking had become a metaphor for her journey of self-expression. What flavors have sparked warmth in your life? Share your story with us.